behavior is a manifestation in many animals, including pets such as dogs and cats.
Wow.
Animals are adaptable and observant creatures, able to learn and imitate the behavior they observe in their environment, including human habits. Dogs are very social animals and often live close to people. As a result, they can capture human habits and behavior. For example, some dogs may learn to sit or shake hands when people extend their hand in greeting. They can also learn to imitate other activities they observe in their fellow human beings. It is important to note that while animals may mimic human habits, their understanding and intentions behind these behaviors may differ from those of humans. In many cases, they imitate behavior for a variety of reasons, including social interaction, learning, or rewards. Play is not only entertainment for pets, but also serves important purposes such as exercise, mental stimulation, and bonding with their human companions. It is very important to provide them with appropriate toys and activities that suit their individual preferences and play styles.